Are you an SAP user having challenges with the complexity and performance of the system? Are you having difficulty in using or accessing SAP where and when you need it, like on your phone, in the field, or offline in the warehouse? Here is something to cheer about. Introducing Enterprise Solution Platform from Linx-AS. The Enterprise Solution Platform simplifies common SAP tasks by providing users an optimal experience using standard web technology. With ESP, user errors are reduced and data quality is improved. Critical business applications are now at your fingertips, and the tasks that you need to do most often are simplified. So, say goodbye to inbox bottlenecks. And the great news for IT managers is that there is no need for costly upgrades of your SAP system. So whether it's completing a mobile work order or processing a purchase requisition, ESP has been engineered from a single code base to give you a responsive user experience across phones, tablets, desktops, and any other device. Don't just take our word for it. Request a demo today and get started on your path to enterprise productivity. Power to the SAP user.